welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining. And as per usual, welcome in general. So my wig collection has gotten pretty extensive. I just counted and I own over 20 wigs, but I only have 6 different ones in my daily rotation, so I'm getting bored. I thought it was time for a new one, so I got on Amazon, which is the only place I shop 99% of the time. And I found this lovely looking rainbow one. I guess we'll see how lovely it really is, because when you order a wig from Amazon and it's $15 or less, I never really have high expectations. So, but I have it here, so let's open her up. The packaging is not good. It's just a wig in a bag. A lot of times when I order, they come with like wig caps. I don't know if this one did. I already took it out of the box because I had something else that I ordered with it that I really wanted to look at. Oh, I think it did come with a wig cap. Okay. She came with a little netted wig cap, which I love because I need a new one. I prefer these over like the regular stocking caps. I just feel like they're nicer. Here's the wig. She's very rainbow. I thought this one would be a lot of fun to play with. Always has this little... I used to keep these for wig storage, but now I just throw them away because, you know, whatever. It's already off the bat the kind of wig that I hate, because this kind of cap construction, this is not generally what I go for. I try to go for, I don't know. We went over this before. I don't know what to call the different types, but one's like this one. I know I showed in my first wig video, but this is usually the kind of cap construction I go for. Usually these are better wigs, but I'm like,
she'll do.
Because at the end of the day, for $13 or whatever I paid for it, I can't really be mad at it either way. You get what you pay for. If you want nicer wigs, buy nicer wigs from actual, like, nice wig vendors. The colors in it are fun. It's predominantly pink, which I love because I love pink. We got lots of rainbow, red and yellow and green, and so yeah, she's fun. It already has bangs, which is good because I hate cutting bangs, but I can. And it's already kind of swooped over this way, which is the direction I part my hair, so that's good. I won't need to retrain it to the other side or anything. She's very wavy, so I'm going to have to straighten it because I don't want waves. I imagine it's heat safe. I never looked that up. I have my phone right here. Let's just see if she's heat safe. Overall, I mean, it does pretty much look like the picture. It actually is more pink than what it looks in the picture, which I really love. Oh, she was $9.99. She wasn't even $13. I guess that was the other one I was looking at. Yeah, this one was only $9.99, which I believe it. I can't find the description. Okay, 100% high temperature fiber. So yes, you can straighten it. Curling and stuff, that's a whole different thing. Maybe we'll go over that in the future if you want like more wig care videos. I feel like for the most part, these can be pretty boring. But yeah, so she needs straightened. I'm going to straighten this and then we'll get right into the styling. Okay, sorry if you hear some bumping outside and my dog's going crazy. I'm 99% sure my neighbors are drug dealers, which is fine. I'm not shaming it. Whatever you want to do with your life. But I straightened the wig. This is how long she is, if you can see it. So obviously straightening out the curls added a lot more length. The color is super pretty and it straightened really well. It was super duper easy. The fibers are nice. And as far as shedding goes, I'm looking down at my lap, and obviously you're always going to have some shedding with wigs, but really not a lot. Like, there are a few like little chunks that came out. This is all the hair residue that's in my brush. So that honestly is not that bad. My pink wig shedded like absolute freaking crazy. Once I get so much hairspray and stuff in it, I really don't have to worry about shedding that much anyways, because the hairspray kind of holds it in. But it looks really pretty. I can feel that in the back it's like super duper thin, but it's really pretty, so I'm excited to work with this. I'm definitely getting like My Little Pony vibes from this. But yeah, so I'm gonna set this up and then we'll start styling. final look. I went ahead and hit it with some dry shampoo just to take out some of the shine. Can do that, by the way. It's very helpful. Something like baby powder would also work, but I feel like at this point most of us have dry shampoo. Ain't none of us fucking wash our hair, let's be real. But overall, I am so happy with how this turned out. I think it looks super freaking cute. I love the rainbow and the bangs. I went ahead and made these Coontails before I started this video because I knew I wanted some rainbow Coontails in this wig. So I have that. If you want to see how I make these, I do have a video on my channel on that. It's super easy. But I'm looking at this and I'm like, this is my... I know every time I get a new wig, I'm like, this is my new favorite wig, but this is legitimately my... my new favorite wig. I love it so much. It feels so fun. I can't wait to get stared at more than I already do. But yeah, I think this wig was absolutely great. I went and I tried to show you guys the back of it up close, but I went and checked out the back in the mirror and everything. And, you know, with all the teasing and the strategic placing of the hairs, you really can't see, like, the cap or anything too bad. I guess you can if you're, like, super looking for it, but I feel like these clip-in extensions show worse than the actual cap and the wefting of the wig. So I'd say for $10, this was an absolute win. Styled really easy. I only had to tease it twice, and then obviously a shit ton of hairspray, but usually when I get these cheaper wigs, I have to tease it like 3 or 4 times to get it to finally hold its shape. But this one played really well, so you can tell it's like really intended to be styled for cosplays and things like that. But I like it a bunch. Again, for $10, amazing, living my best life. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, following this tutorial, trying this out yourself, I will link that in the description below. If you want to follow me on Instagram and see me wearing this wig, you can go to cokeandredrum.com, or you can also follow the description link below. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to. I'm not going to tell you what to do. And finally, have fun, be safe, look both ways before you cross the street, and I will see you next time. Bye! Oh, me again. I forgot to tell you I upload videos every single Monday. Okay, that's it. Love you.